I'll be showing you a couple of different websites and apps to make money. So make sure you keep watching all the way until the end to learn all of them in order for you to maximize your earnings.
We teach you how to make money online the simplest way. Make sure to subscribe to this channel and don't forget to click on the notification bell so whenever we upload a new video on how to make money online, you will be updated and you can start making things happen. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up. And if ever you have any concerns, questions, or opinions about the video, don't be shy and just leave a comment down below. Now let's get back to the video.
First website that I want to show today, which is called Surveytime. Now you can go to surveytime.io. Basically, you can get instantly rewarded with $1 for every survey that you complete. And the good thing I like about this website is that all of the surveys is actually very simple, very easy, and only take you less than 1 minute to complete them. And in just a moment, I'll show you a couple of different examples on different surveys that you can do. So real quick, let me show you there are a couple of different payment options available for this website. As you can see here, you can cash out using Coinbase, which is cryptocurrency, Amazon gift card, Target gift card, or right here even straight into your PayPal account. So right here you can actually sign up for a free account using a Facebook, Google, or Twitter, or otherwise you can just put in your email address right here and pick on this I agree to the terms and conditions and click on the start now button. So once you've signed up for a free account, that's going to take you to this page where you have to complete a couple of different questions in order for them to give you the most relevant surveys. So all you gotta do is just go down here and click on this button to start right now. And from there, that's going to take you to this page where you have to complete a total of 31 different questions, and mainly they're asking about your personal information. For example, your birth date, what is your country, what is your hobby, what is your interest, and so on, so that they can give you the most suitable survey for you. Now for this particular survey right here, that's going to take about 5 minutes. But once you complete your initial surveys, all the following surveys only take you less than 60 seconds to complete, which is actually very fast. You can earn $1 again and again. So as always, I'll try my best to give you some bonus tip. Now you can actually go on to junk fill. You can just go into Google and search for junk fill, and you can download this free Google Chrome extension. Basically right now they have over 8,000 different users, and they're automatically using the AI technology to automatically help you to fill out different forms and different surveys. It's actually a very good and very useful tool. And in fact, not a lot of people actually know about this, and as always, I'll give you the most updated strategies to make money online. If you appreciate that, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So moving on, we'll go on to the second website, which is called Profit Product Creator. Now basically this is a world first 100% done for you digital product creation suite, and a lot of people are using this exact app to make up to $1,000 online every day by simply using digital products with 100% free traffic. And by using Profit Products Creator, a lot of people, they are making sales and commission just like this, keep on rolling in every single hour, every single minute. And these are just some of the testimonials from the user. You can see here Jennifer Fisher. This is an awesome app. The first product I created generated over $2,393 in profit within the first 24 hours of sale. And right here another testimonial from Michael. If you want to make easy money by creating your own products, then Profit Product Creator is for you. I made over $1,000 on my first day selling the product I created with this app. Now for those of you guys, if you want to take your income to the next level, if you're looking for making thousands or tens of thousands of dollars every single month, you know that digital products is the future. And there are a lot of successful entrepreneurs and marketers like Pat Flynn right here, Ryan Dees, and so Neil Patel. They're using online courses, ebooks, and they're scaling the digital products and making tens of millions of dollars. And the good news is that you can use this exact app, which is Profit Product Creator, to create your own wildly profitable digital products in less than 60 seconds. And this is super beginner friendly, applicable for any new beginners who have never made any money before, to create done for you different digital products, for example ebook, online courses, online training, and so on, that you can begin selling to other people. And the best thing is that all of them are super high quality and proven to sell, and this system right here will give you free traffic, meaning they'll help you to sell the courses or ebooks or digital products for you. And with your own digital products, you're able to generate a lot of commissions or daily payment just like this. Last 7 days, $1,000 or even up to $4,000 in a single month is actually completely possible for brand new beginners. So once again, if you're looking for making $500 to $1,000 a day, make sure to check out the link in the video description below to check out Profit Product Creator. So moving on to the third website, which is called Remote Test. Now you can go into remotest.com. Now basically on this website, you can make money by simply doing some simple and easy tasks. And of course, you can do it on your phone, you can do it on your computer, and you can do it at the comfort of your own home. So real quick, this is exactly how it works. Now first of all, you have to sign up for a free account simply using Facebook to create for a free and worldwide account, and from there you have to register and certify for different tasks and different categories of work that you can do. And once you're certified, you can begin to working on different categories, which I'll show you a few examples in just a moment. And finally, once you complete the task, you're able to get paid and earn money, and you can receive a payment every single week on time straight into your PayPal account. And these are just some of the examples of different simple tasks that you can do. So first of all, you can see here images. Basically, you can draw bounding boxes around various objects to help people to determine what's where. For example, let's say they ask you to draw lines or draw boxes around a car. You can just use a mobile phone to draw a simple line of boxes around the object, and boom, you can get paid per task. And moving on, they also have 3D annotation, OCR transcription, and right here categorization. Basically, they show different images and they ask you to categorize the image into different categories. And right here comparison, maybe they have a white car, a black car, and they ask you to draw a line on the black car, and you just have to draw a simple line of boxes around whatever objects they ask you to draw on them. And finally, we have data collection. We have to do some simple research and searching and browsing on the internet and collect data and start typing them into a document. So all of them, they're actually very easy and simple tasks that anyone can do without any prior experience. So if you want to sign up for a free account, just click on this button to sign up, and that's going to take you to this page where you can learn more information about this opportunity, and you can just use your Facebook or Google to create for your free account. And moving on to the fourth website, which is called UGenBoss. Now if you want to check out UGenBoss, make sure you click on the link in the video description below. Basically, UGenBoss helps you to create automated profit sites and generate you over $350 per day with the world's first truly natural robot content. And on top of that, they're gonna give you free traffic 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and easy one-click monetization. Now we all know that there are a lot of bloggers, a lot of people, they're writing simple articles and creating blog posts, and they're making a lot of money. Just for example, these blogs right here, lifestyle blogging, they're earning about $41,000 per month. And right here, another example, maybe recipe or cooking blogs, and they're making $46,000 per month. Right here, another example, budgeting and parenting blogging, over $86,000 per month, which is crazy. And we're just so many different categories and niches of different blogs. For example, car buying blog, $125,000 per month. And finally, family lifestyle and travel blog, over $170,000 per month. There are a lot of earning opportunities by creating a blog post and owning a blog. And there are a lot of successful bloggers and business owners that are making 5 figures or 6 figures every single year in passive income. Some of them, they even reach 7 figures, making millions of dollars per year. And that's exactly what UGenBoss allows you to profit. Basically, step number 1, you have to choose your topic or a niche that you want to focus on. For example, parenting, for example, recipe, or maybe basketball, or any niches that you're interested in which is profitable. And step number 2, you have to activate the automated profit site by simply using UGenBoss. And step number 3, you can monetize your multiple passive income sources. And one very effective way for you to make money with a done-for-you blog, which is by simply earning commission, affiliate commission online. You can see here, yesterday $1,000, and the last 30 days over $10,000. And other than affiliate commission, you can also monetize your blogs using AdSense, right? Different ads that putting on your blog with one-click monetization. And the earning opportunity right here is unlimited. So once again, if you want to check out UGenBoss to create your automated profit sites, make sure you check out the link in the video description below to start earning $350 per day. Now moving on to the last app, which is called BuzzBreak. You can go into buzzbreak.news. Basically, you can simply read news on your mobile phone and earn free cash online. Now you can do it on your Android phone, you can do it on your iPhone. Now for example, when I click on this button right here, I can go onto my Google Play Store and download this app for absolutely free. And the name of this app is actually called BuzzBreak. Read funny videos and earn free cash. So basically, inside your dashboard, once you've signed up for a free account, you can find different news that you can read on them. Just go and click on any one of the titles, start reading the news. And every single day they'll refresh the news, and once you've earned your points, you can actually withdraw them into actual cash, into actual money. And the cash out is actually very simple. You can cash out using bank transfer, Bitcoin, cryptocurrency, or straight into your PayPal account. In fact, I want you to comment down below and let me know what's your preferred payment method in your country. For me personally, I would prefer using PayPal. Overall, they're getting about 324,000 reviews, and they're getting 4.4 stars, which is actually quite outstanding. You can see there are a lot of good reviews and feedback right here about this app. This app is actually very useful. It's only my second day with this app. It seems promising and it does pay. So once again, you can definitely check it out to earn free cash online by simply reading news. So now, very important, right? Let me ask you a question. What if there's a much simpler way for you to make money? And fully automated, and that's why I want to introduce you to this system. Now let me ask you, what if it were possible to get paid every time we use Google? I believe all of us, we heard of Google before, we use it many times. But what if you can make money from Google right now? And this is where Google Pay, this system, they actually expose a $1.7 trillion Google loophole that's gonna pay us $49 over and over again by simply searching on Google. Yes, search something and type something on Google and you can get paid every time you do that. No skill or experience needed, no waiting to get paid, no extra fees, no BS, right? You can go and click on the link in the video description, come onto this page and you can watch this video to see exactly how to do that. And as you can see here, today $2,000 and yesterday $400. And right here you can see non-stop $49 payment rolling in on autopilot. And all you gotta do is make simple searches on Google and each time you're gonna receive $49 payment. And this system actually invited 29 newbie beta testers to try out Google Pay just to make sure that this 100% works for beginners. As you can see here, people from all over the world, they're actually making money, right? They make a total of $189,000 right here, real cold hard cash. So right down below you can see more testimonials and more verified Google Pay users. Look at their results, look at what they have to say about the system. Go down, click the link in the video description right now and check out all the proofs so that you can begin making money just like this. Keep on rolling and keep on increasing every single day, up to even $354 in profit. That's some really good money. So once again, if you want to make money by simply searching on Google, make sure to click on the link in the video description below and check out Google Pay. Get started right now, sign up and start making money, and I'll see you on the inside. Thanks for watching and I'll see you on the next video.